Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by aligning resources and goals. Decide domain, scope, and budget so training choices match. Once you have data and compute, set up a reproducible environment with containerized Python, CUDA drivers, and a package lock. Make sure to pick a base model early. A 3, 5, 7B model speeds iteration while allowing meaningful fine-tuning. Then create an initial sample dataset and run a short sanity training pass to verify pipelines, storage mounts, and GPU scheduling are working before full-scale work. You now transform raw inputs into model-ready examples. Clean text, remove personal data, and format prompt/responses consistently so the model learns patterns. Once formatted, apply the tokenizer and inspect token length distributions to set context size. Then choose a tuning approach, low R-ray for efficiency, full parameter if you have ample compute, and configure mixed precision and a conservative learning rate schedule. Monitor loss and sample outputs early. If outputs degrade, reduce LR or shorten. You finish by validating the model against tests and human evaluations to confirm accuracy, safety, and alignment with requirements. Once satisfied, deploy behind an API with batching and optional quantization to reduce latency and cost. Make sure to include rate limits and input sanitization. After deployment, monitor performance, error rates, and data drift, and schedule retraining with fresh data. If things go wrong, revert to the last validated checkpoint and investigate recent data or hyperparameter changes as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.